In 60s, a new race had begun and it was called a space race. From then, Russia was the first country to send a man to space and he was Yuri Gagarin and later on by America. This was the stories of 60s, but in late 90s, private company too decided to participate in the space race. In 90s, Amazon made a very good profit and in 2000, Amazon opened its own space company, Blue Origin. You might have usually heard about SpaceX, but Blue Origin too was in the race.
Amazon founder Jeff Bezos had said that he will go to space after he retires from the post of CEO. On 15 July 2021, he retired as CEO. And on 20th July 2021, he planned his trip to space with his best friend, come his brother Mark Bezos and 2 others. He chose the date 20th July because it was the day when a man stepped into the moon for the first time. And historically, they set a record by taking the oldest woman and youngest boy to the space for the first time.
We have heard the names of SpaceX and Blue Origin, but there's another private company too in the race, and that is Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic. The 71-year-old Mr. Branson and 5 other crewmates, including the aeronautical engineer Sirishi Banla, reached an altitude of 88 km over the New Mexico desert, enough to experience 3 to 4 minutes of weightlessness and see the curvature of the Earth, and glided safely back home in a runway landing. Mr. Branson became the first person to blast off to space in his own spaceship, beating Jeff Bezos by 9 days.
But SpaceX was not so lucky in terms of finance because it had seen many ups and downs. It was almost in the stage of bankruptcy, but in September 2008, SpaceX became the first privately owned company to send a liquid-fueled rocket, that is Falcon 1, into the orbit. The Falcon 1 was very cheaper to build and operate than its competitors.
This was a huge success to SpaceX. SpaceX got many contracts from NASA for putting satellites into orbit. Also, it had got a lunar contract. It was NASA's moon mission where it planned to send a man to Mars. And NASA had given a contract to making lunar lander to SpaceX. But many private companies opposed this, including Blue Origin and Dynetics. Now this contract is suspended and a committee is set.
Elon Musk aced the space race, and I'm pretty sure that Elon Musk's story motivates everyone. He was successful not because he wanted to do it for competition, but he wanted to do it for himself. His main goal is to create a civilization on Mars, and he had said that in a statement that if he couldn't make it to Mars, then he wanted his ashes to be buried on Mars. India now has approved private space companies too, and it is a great news for us. Till now, India has not done a manned space mission, but India's first manned space mission named Gaganyaan is set in the year 2023. And India's first man to go to space was Rakesh Sharma, and with the help of a Russian program.
India was not less than anyone. India's space program was delayed by other countries many a times. Though, after these many pushbacks, India is leading in space program, and the young minds are now even more brighter. So be different and make difference. Be the next mastermind behind India's space program and bring glory to the nation. Many think it's waste of time. There is no use in exploring space, and it's all people's perspective. Pessimist says half empty glass of water. Optimist says half full glass of water, and realistic drinks that water. Thank you.